How to fix USB ports not working in Windows 10. Here's some tips that may help you fix USB ports not working in Windows 10. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Check if the device itself is faulty. To do so, try inserting the device into a different port. Or, try using a new/different USB device or a new USB cable/hub. Also, try plugging in a different USB device in the same port. 3. For laptop users only, temporarily remove your power supply and charger plug from your laptop. Restart your laptop. Try connecting the USB device to your laptop. Then plug the power supply back in later. 4. Disable fast startup in control panel. 5. Remove and reinstall existing USB host controllers. Use Device Manager to scan for hardware changes. Reboot your computer later. 6. Disable Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option for the first USB root hub device. Repeat the step for each USB root hub device in your own list of universal serial bus controllers. 7. Check your USB device drivers. Note, you better reinstall the USB device drivers using the official drivers. Also, update your Windows 10. 8. Check if there's any problem with your USB ports. And make a physical check for your USB device. 9. Try disabling the USB Selective Suspend feature in Power Options.